First, I start from the plate and we put water, and we put sugar, and we put cinnamon, and we put water. Put it in the microwave. Close it for 20 minutes. Now, when the cake is finished, open the microwave to check the cake is finished. Put it in the poke bowl and put water again to stir it more. And put it in there and put it in the microwave one more. And we put one more. And we put it in the microwave. And we put more. And we put it there and close. And then we stir. And when it's finished, open the microwave to check it is finished. If it's finished, put it in a serving bowl and put it there. When it's finished, take a glue to put it there or decorate your super own cake. If you're finished, turn on the switch to the power. Get it to like that. Put the glue on the side. Put the first one to put it there. Then when it's finished, put the heart, put the pink one and roll it there and put it there to make shapes. Make many hearts or one square and put it many hearts and put it in there, or get one piece of square and we put candles on the cake and we put fire and we blow and we take out and we put one more and it's really, really good. Now this cake is already finished. Now we put it in the table.
Yay! Say thank you.
Thank you.
I'll make another cake again.
I will make another cake. So let's make another cake. So
Later, you have to say bye-bye first.
Bye-bye.
Wave your hands.